Did you see that guy?
I thought he was coming after us. I'm like,
No.
She got pulled for that!
But on the phone we have Jessica, who lives in Oklahoma City. Hey Jessica, you're gonna pick Jessica.
Oh, it's the karma! Let's go!
Who would you like to pick to play for you? Eddie or Amy?
Get him!
Oh, look. Carmel's finest. Wait, is this Karma? Oh, yes! 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 Finally! I finally caught instant Karma.
Hit his ass, please.
Oh, see.
That's like the third time in like 2 weeks. Let's go, Garmin. Hey, Garmin. Oh.
高远连呐喊都无法做到。他一张嘴，血沫就从嘴里面往外冒。高远不能走，他不能离开，他无法依靠速度优势，他只能死守在这里，牢牢的钉在无酒。
Son of a bitch! Olha aí, filha da puta! O vermelho! Olha, polícia! Bem feita! E foi o que... Vai, vai, vai! Anda lá! Guarda aí,
Holy shit. Are they hanging up?
Heard about it, and I was like, I can't believe this all happened when I was a kid, and I had no idea that it even took place.
Oi.
So do people understand what we're saying? Do people understand what we're saying is we're pretty...
will be enough to convince Trump voters to split their ticket and send the pair back to Washington. Republicans are skeptical of this. This whole argument that voters are going to split their ticket to the degree that they would need to. In Montana, for example, Trump won there by 16 points. And that kind of margin is just a tough thing to overcome.
I just want to note, Democrats still hope in places like Texas and Florida.
No turn on red, so you can't turn. Yep, no turn on red.
So it's green now. Oh, Village Baker.
Uh-oh, someone's getting pulled over.
For what?
I don't know, someone is. Good thing you didn't turn on red because your ass would have got pulled over. Probably ran the yellow.
right the f off. That's what happened.
Shout Jesus from the mountains, Jesus in the streets.
This guy's gonna get busted. This guy's like so busted. Bye bye. What did you think was gonna happen? This guy's like flying. Oh, there he goes. Oh. That's true. Oh, that's one for the dash camera.
Oh shit! Woo! 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 That boy, you got him, baby. Got him. Woo! Woo! Got that bad boy. Woo! Woo! Look at that. That is Washington State Patrol, baby. Woo! Woo!
And don't forget, it's not just Aiden Hutchinson, but they've lost Davenport, they lost Kaminsky, they lost Barnes. They have lost a ton of defensive ends this year. So they basically Neal, the interior defensive lineman, he just got paid. Yeah, he's a very, very good football player. But are they going to be able to put pressure on Sam Darnold? Radio Network. Their corners, Terrion Arnold and Carlton today, so they have a replacement on the
Oh God, that is exactly what I thought it was. Holy shit.
And I came around and made a podcast about her disappearance. And they just came forth to law enforcement, which probably doesn't search this pecan orchard, and they made 2 arrests for terrorist murder. So it was a huge story, and it's bizarre because when I first got involved, it was kind of like this sort of part of the town that people didn't want to talk about this anymore at all. They were afraid to mention people's names over the years, over a decade.
You're asking to be pulled over? Speeding and no visible license plate? Yeah.
gonna pull over. Damn.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.